girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the boom. 700 3i5s, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I bitch come through, you and you. I'ma get the money, and get the loot. Pull up with that Draco, I was breaking, I'ma shoot. My weapon be the instrument, I blow you like a fruit. Nigga place me feeling, pull up broad day with the canine shivering. Drop a nigga like a lyric. We at the door like we the delivery. He done a plug, middleman. That nigga brown like cinnamon. I got the round like Silver Robinson. Shots to the chest, how you gas for I'ma spray em, just like for a breeze. I'm a long way from sitting in the nosebleed. Now a nigga on the floor talking to the athlete. Mine I'm so close to the guy that I can steal the stash shit. 901 Shelby Drive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.
Say baby, can't imagine if you were a star, you'd be the one I'm searching for. Other girls, they got attention, but I just always feel like there is something you got. Obvious you're pretty, heard that you're a student working weekends in the city. Trying to take you out, girl, hope you're not too busy. If there's nothing wrong, got this little song. Get ready to put those fucking wheels on and work it, girl. Let that mirror show you what you're doing. Put that glass on and work it, kinda vicious, like somebody's taking pictures. Shut it down. Shut it down. You be the baddest girl around. They notice, shut it down, shut it down. You be the baddest girl around. these girls ain't got nothing on you. Ain't got nothing on you. Ain't got nothing on you. Good love, you're the greatest. And if he say you ain't, girl, he's on his mind to the finest. And if he say you ain't, that boy done lost his mind. Baby, every time you come around, them down like computers. Crazy, step into my heart and you put you in the mountains.
Rap to you real quick. I wanna enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high. I can teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying to detonate you. No disrespecting, baby. Just try and make you smile. Try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lace it down. Try to keep your spirits up. Little vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed. I acknowledge your effort. So I clap for her. She deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard. She deserves that baton. Shawty wear your baton. Racing through my mind like she heard that. I got that work. I heard that she been on strike. Care to tell? I read your mind. She been on them dollars first. Caramel, macchiato. When Shawty get in the work, I can be your boyfriend, be your Vito, or a grand purse. I'm just trying to work that. They just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind. I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light. They just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel the way you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bullock, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Baby, not what we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside. I can tell you like persistence, but I make me tries. I just think we need one night. Can't decide if I can't right. Easy, baby, my thing tight, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right. Can't decide, but I can't fight. Easy, baby, you the bomb and all, but if I did not land mine, or at least try, can I speak up? What's the peace out? Can we eat lunch? Can we take shots with your flavor? Flat drinks, we call A-cups. I just think I need one night. Slightly more adventure.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Domthetastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I'm doing a review for a new company, and that is SOULLADY. They're new to me and most likely new to you as well, so I definitely had to give them a try, and I am very much so impressed with today's unit. So I really do like this unit because, for one, it's like something different from what I am used to, and for two, this is a closure unit. You guys know I always try to like show you guys how you can get the most out of a closure unit. Now, out of all of the times that I've done, you know, my closures as a side part, I would say this is probably one of the best turnouts. I love the way that my edges look on here, and I feel like out of all of the closure units I've done it on, this is the one that looks most realistic. This is the one that definitely gives lace front vibes. If I didn't tell you this was a closure, you would have never known this was a closure unit. And it's because this closure does have a lot of parting space on it. Also, they pre-plucked the hairline on it, so I didn't have to pluck this unit at all. The only thing that I had to do was just wash the hair and then of course bleach the knots, and I was good to go. But like, look at how my edges look. Like, it's definitely giving like frontal type vibes. I love how this just like goes in so like perfectly. You guys see my part, and then mind you guys, I didn't even put any concealer in my part, and you guys know like I usually always put like a little bit of concealer in my part just to help it like stand out. But girl, you literally don't have to do that with this unit. I love the blonde pieces that they put in here. They're very subtle. so it looks like a nice little highlight there. The quality of this hair, you guys, is just fire as well. Like, it's so silky smooth, there's no shedding, it's not like tangling every 5 minutes, so love that about it. Like I said, just so smooth, tangle free. The only thing that I will say is that this unit does have a lot of flyaways, so I did use some hairspray on the top half just to like get rid of the flyaways. I added a little bit of oil sheen to the top as well. But yeah, so now we don't have any problems with flyaways, but that was definitely an issue that I had with this unit initially. This is all of the hair, and I want to say that this unit is possibly about 180% density. It might even be like I don't think it's anything more than 180%. If it is, then, you know, I will always correct myself down below in the description box. The other thing that I really enjoyed about this unit is the fact that it is a breathable unit. So that is so essential when it comes to like wearing a protective style like a wig. You know, you want to make sure that your natural scalp can still breathe underneath the unit. So I like the fact that this is a breathable unit. And also, even though this is a glueless wig, I like the fact that the elastic band that's in the inside is actually sewn into the unit, so you don't have to worry about it falling out, because that's like a huge issue that I tend to have with like a lot of these units these days that are like the glueless units. Like, that strap is like so hard to keep in, it like falls out all the time. So I like the fact that they thought about that and they made sure that they sewed this in. The elastic band that's inside of this unit is adjustable, so you can make it as tight or as loose as you need it to be. The only con that I would say with this unit is that it doesn't have the adjustable straps in the very back, but the unit is actually really, you know what, I guess it doesn't matter that it doesn't have the adjustable strap in the back, because it's actually really snug. Like, I can almost barely get my finger underneath here, and that's rare. So wow, I'm impressed, because normally I have to like use the comb in the back or like do something with the back, but this one is perfect. It doesn't have like all that extra space. So yeah, I like that about this unit. Okay, so it has a good fit to it, so that's perfect for your girls out there with the smaller heads, because y'all know my head is small, so that's like always an issue for me. So I like the fact that this has a very snug fit to it, and like I said, the quality of this hair is so beautiful. So this unit is actually in 24 inches. To me, I don't know why I look a little bit shorter than that, but one thing that I will say off top is that I like the fact that the density is like cohesive from the root all the way down to the ends. A lot of times when you have straight units, they tend to get very thin at the ends, but this one is still like full all the way throughout. So I like that about it. Like, it's just as thick up here as it is on the very ends, and you can see like it's not like see-through on the ends, you know what I mean? So really like the density to this one. And like I said, this is a 24 inch, which is pretty standard. That's usually what I go for. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys where this unit is hitting on me. And for reference, I am 5'2". So this is where it's hitting on me in the front, which is like mid-waist. Okay, and then let's put all of the hair to the back. This is where it's hitting me on the side. And mind you, I did shift this wig off to the side, so the length may be a little bit weird. But yeah, it may look like lopsided or whatever. But yeah, so it's hitting this side. But yeah, you guys see what I mean? How it's like full all the way down to the ends. Like, I like that. And then this is the parting space, you guys, that I have right now. I really do like the parting space in this unit. You know, you can obviously go further back, you can do a little bit more. And I have to say that I really like everything about this unit, down to the packaging. Like, I am in love with a company that really puts like attention to detail when it comes to the packaging, because it just makes it a better experience when you are shopping with them. You know, I love when I unbox something and it just feels like a lot of love and care went into it. You know, it's like wrapped up really pretty, so you almost don't want to like mess it up. So I really like the packaging for this company. I like the white and gold. It's very classy. It has like a shopping bag, it has a hard tote, it's wrapped up in like its own wrapping paper, and then it's wrapped up in like the silk satin bag or whatever that you put the actual wig in. They didn't have like all the extra goodies that I'm used to with like some of the other companies, but I would say where they lack in that department, they sure do make up for it in the actual hair. This unit is beautiful, and I knew like straight out of the pack, like I knew straight out of the box that this was going to be amazing. As soon as I took it out of the plastic bag, I was like, oh yeah, this is it, this is the one, she's it. And I was not wrong, you guys. Like, this unit is so fire. It's the perfect straight unit, and like I said, I really do like these blonde pieces in here. This will possibly look better if you have it like layered and like do curls, but honestly, you guys, like I'm just not really, I don't know, I have to work on like curling hair. I'm just, that's just one of my weak points, is like curling hair. So I can curl some hair, don't get me wrong, but it's just like the curls that I be wanting, it just don't be looking like that. So yeah, but yeah, this is another up close look at the hair. Like I said, it's just so silky smooth. Yeah, I really do like this unit. I did want to give you guys another up close look at it. The parting space, the edges, like it just looks so good. The hair looks so healthy. It has such a beautiful flow to it. I mean, look at that. Are you kidding me? Like, hello? She's definitely giving, she's that girl. So if you guys want to give this unit a try, definitely check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit along with all the details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, SOULLADY Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this beautiful unit. And of course, I have to thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there, both new and returning, for showing me so much love and support. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.